Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video for this week. We're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs. But firstly, we're going to jump over here onto the economic calendar, have a look what we've got coming for today. As you can see here, we've got no red news on the pairs that we're looking at trading. We do have a little bit of Euro news coming up shortly and some USD news there at the start of the New York, but it shouldn't have a massive effect on the markets. Although Wednesday looks fine, but Thursday we do have CPI news coming out of the US, which could cause some market volatility there. So, and then Friday we've got some core PPI news coming out as well. So Thursday, Friday might be a little bit rough for trading, but early this week should be pretty good. So looking at the market here, 4 hour, we can see here that we were climbing, obviously all the way up. We had a bit of a drawback on Thursday, and then with Friday's non-farm NFP coming out, obviously dropped right back down, and we've taken out lows, and we have flipped bearish here at the moment on the 4 hour. So we are slowly starting to march back up, but we do need to be aware that we are coming up into this area here, which we could definitely look to see some rejection from. So we could possibly see this coming out from today with a further march down. That is of probability. So looking at what we've sort of got here at the moment. So we did see yesterday's Asian session, we saw a pull up, pull back down around that midline retrace, had that bounce, pull back up. We did come into this area, this previous sort of supply and demand level there, which we've obviously got a knockback from, and we've pulled back up again. We've failed to break this high, but we have created sort of equal highs there. So we're starting to get an idea. We've sort of filled this imbalance. We're starting to create liquidity here. It does make sense that we could see a pull up into this area before selling off, or we may obviously see a pull down, a retest internal, and go short from there. So that's basically my breakdown of Euro today, of Dixie today. Now over to the Euro. So Euro, again, same sort of thing. We're looking here at the 4 hour. We can see here we had a pull down. We've pulled back up. Now I might just have to jump on the line chart here and see we've made equal highs here. So we haven't quite broken that high, but we've made equal highs. So what we're looking at here at the moment is a pull up, and then we've pulled down. We've failed to set a low there. We've pulled back up. We've found more momentum, come back down, touched into that area, and now I've had this big pull up. So the high we want to break would be this high through here, which obviously is still intact at the moment. So what we're looking at here at the moment is, although this high on the Dixie has been broken, so it could be starting to give us a little bit of a confirmation as to what we're sort of looking for here. But let's jump down on the 15-minute now and get an idea of what's been happening. So basically we can see here, there's that big impulse from Friday. We've been marching down. Yesterday we saw this break to the low side. We've pulled back up internal and pulled down lower, and then come back up, and we've sort of just range bound here. So what we could be looking at doing is we could be looking at coming back down into this area here to go long from, or we may even be taking all of that out and coming right down here to the existing where this impulse buy this impulse began, and coming out of there. So we could see a pull down to here and a pull back up, or we could see a pull into here and a pull up, or failing that, we may see this go on. But again, that's all three are probable. Again, though, when we get down into these areas, we want to just see that lower time frame trend change starting to come through before then obviously going long. GU. Now over to GBP USD. So we can see here, came down, had a bounce out of this area, took liquidity, bounce out of this area, took liquidity, and then we wicked all the way down to this low here, which we have since found support, and we've since been working our way back up. So Thursday found that support. Friday got that boost with the NFP news out of the US, and now we've pulled we're just sort of starting making higher highs and higher lows. Now we are currently working within, we can see here that we've had a pull up, we've pulled down, and then we're sort of pulled up again, and we've failed to set a new high. So we are working within quite a big range here at the moment, because this low doesn't become set until that high gets broken. So basically we're working within this range. So what we could see is there's a couple of things we could see here. We could see a return back down to this last sell candle, or we could even get a return back down into this area as well. Probably lower probability of that. I would assume that we may, we'll jump down to the 15-minute here. I think the higher probability is we probably see a return down into this area and go long from there, or we see just a break of that high and then we come down internal and go long from that area there. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for jumping on today to start out the week. We'll just see how these what the market sort of gives us today to trade, and we can come back and do another reevaluation tomorrow and look for more trades tomorrow. Thanks again for jumping on, guys, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.